I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
Decided one of the things we need on the dinner table / pool table is going to be some lighting over top of it. We found some nice barn board, made kind of one of those pool table-ish looking lights, which is a rectangle kind of sloped back in on itself.
Let's try and put these together. 2 sections. Screws are gonna hold it all together. Oh, looks great.
Yeah, totally.
Top cap's gonna have to be pretty solid if we're gonna be hanging the whole thing from it. I'd say we get another piece of that barn board and see if it fits. And then hang it with what?
Put a drill hole through those and put a couple hooks. Hang it up, see if it holds.
Beaut. Need a little chain in the ceiling, a couple S-hooks for this, and get out those sockets, wire up this, and then we're good. We're just putting up the light fixture that's gonna go above the pool table, dining table. We've got a couple hooks and a chain ready to go. Yeah, looks okay. Yeah, pretty good. It's just about our style.
The light fixture looks pretty good. I think it turned out fairly well.
So what do we have left, Andrew?
It seems like we're going with a bit of a pool table theme on this dining table, as there's a pool table underneath. So I'm gonna try and make up a little pool ball wine stopper. I've got myself a cork, a pool ball, some glue, and a screw. I'm gonna drill out a hole in the pool ball. Now I just have to attach a cork to it. It'll kind of stick into the top of the wine bottle like that.
What I'm gonna try to do is fill this bowl with some alcohol, put some rocks in it, make it a candle type of thing, and put it in the pumpkin. So I think I need some decent measurements here to make sure the bowl fits inside the pumpkin. The metal bowl fit perfectly in the bottom of the pumpkin. So then I just added in some fire-resistant rocks and poured in some rubbing alcohol. And later we're gonna light this, and it'll have a nice, almost smokeless, torch-like flame.
So I got a little idea for a bit of a centerpiece for the table. I think what I'm gonna do is drill as big a hole as I can and just set the pool balls in here so they won't move. Then I think I'm gonna drill a hole in the pool balls to set that in. And it'll be a small candelabra. Now, as long as nobody moves or breathes or looks at it too hard, you know what? We'll probably epoxy those in.
Our barn board lamp has that classic billiards look, but also feels at home as our dining room chandelier. Our guests are about to arrive, so we're really hoping our decor and homemade food will prove once and for all that we can host a classy soiree.
Yeah, so our guests arrived and everyone was oohing and ahhing about the table. So what do you think of the place?
I love it. Oh, look at your table.
About 20 minutes down the road, my sister-in-law looked over, she's like, is that a pool table? It's a pool table. Did you not notice it was a pool table?
I did not.
Really? It's pretty fun. Good for any of them? The party was a huge success. It really came together around this table. We put our heart and soul into the meal, and everyone appreciated that. Really nice turkey that Kevin cooked. So we tried to decorate the table in the pool theme. Roll for me. So we tried to make some potato billiard balls, and the kids really loved them. They were very impressed.